How old do you have to be to do Instacart? Now, if you wish to go ahead and then work as an Instacart shopper and then you are wondering around about the age eligibility, the short answer to your question is that you must at least be 18 years of age and you must also be eligible to work in the United States or Canada. Now, other requirements are basically you should have a bank account, have a recent smartphone, be able to lift 40 lbs or 18 kgs, pass a background check and have access to a vehicle for deliveries. But bottom line to your question is that you must at least be over 18 years of age to work on Instacart as an Instacart shopper. I hope this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.